Welcome to the modern Toolbox, your go-to hub for the latest tech, gadgets, and online services. From unboxings to expert buying guides, we help you make smarter digital choices. Subscribe now and power up your tech game. Struggling with SQL Union queries? We've got you covered. In this video, we break down Union versus Union all with real-world examples. Let's dive in. Why do beginner to intermediate SQL learners struggle to combine data from multiple tables efficiently? For many, it's not just a minor hiccup. It's the frustration of endless debugging, spending hours trying to fix mismatched column counts, or feeling stuck when queries slow down. The real problem, it's not what you think. It's the lack of clarity on how Union works compared to joins. This confusion leads to syntax errors and performance issues that drag down productivity. Common solutions often miss the mark. They don't tackle the real root cause. In fact, they can make things worse, leaving SQL skills incomplete. But there's a better way to master Union queries. Imagine step-by-step explanations, real-world examples that make sense, and clear syntax breakdowns that eliminate errors. Just ask Alex, a data analyst. He went from struggling with queries to optimizing them in just weeks. Now he saves hours on reporting and impresses his boss with speed and accuracy. With this new approach, SQL skills become second nature. Imagine merging datasets effortlessly, boosting confidence in interviews, and standing out in the job market. Click below to discover how we achieve seamless data integration with our fast-track SQL guide.